Once upon a time in a kingdom where hair gel was mandatory and opinions were not, a boy was born beneath the gaze of statues and missiles. His name? Kim Jong-un. But in this timeline, before he could grow into his father's pantsuit and nuclear portfolio, he ran. At the tender age of 9, young Yun-Yai, as his classmates called him before disappearing mysteriously, slipped across the DMZ during a botched propaganda balloon test, clutching only a Hello Kitty backpack and a burning desire not to be supreme. He made it to Seoul with 3 things: a stolen state-issued rice voucher, a deep love of Dennis Rodman, and an existential hatred of totalitarianism. Oh, the irony.
He was quiet, obsessed with due process, and his hair just stayed like that. We tried conditioner. We really did.
Years later, Kim enrolled in international law at the University of Tokyo, because what better way to avoid your past than studying how to legally dismantle it? He excelled in war crimes seminars. He wrote op-eds like, "Why Regimes Are Bad," especially that one. And then he moved to New York, because nothing says justice like overpriced bagels and passive-aggressive subway musicians. There, Kim reinvented himself as JK. A fast-talking human rights lawyer with a mysterious past and a LinkedIn page that conveniently started at age 10.
The crimes of the regime are atrocious. Forced labor, public executions, bad pop music.
He made headlines. He won awards. He even wrote a memoir. From Glorious Leader to Legal Eagle, My Life on the Run. People asked, how does he know so much about North Korea? And he'd just laugh, nervously, while accidentally ordering soju and fluent Pyongyang dialect. By 2032, he was testifying at The Hague, prosecuting the entire Kim regime. The world cheered as he delivered a 9-hour closing statement titled, "My hair could have ruled you."
He was the best damn lawyer I've ever seen, but one time I walked into his office and he was crying over a bronze statue of himself, naked, with abs. I didn't ask.
But fate, like a North Korean elevator, always goes down. One day, a rogue defector leaked classified documents, blood types, birth records, baby photos. The truth was out. Kim Jong-un was Kim Jong-un. He'd spent his entire life escaping the monster, only to become the man who legally indicted him. He took down a dictator, and the dictator was him. His final words before sentencing? "I would have made a terrible dictator. I'm allergic to power and gluten." He now lives under house arrest in Oslo, giving TED Talks on irony and geopolitical identity crises. His latest speech, "Can you be a war criminal if you testify against yourself?" The answer, maybe. History is a mirror. Sometimes it reflects, sometimes it prosecutes. Who else should be born another way? Drop your surreal rewrites in the comments. Should Gandhi have been a Las Vegas fight promoter? Should Elon Musk have opened a vegan goat sanctuary on Mars? Let us know who and what comes next in this twisted sandbox of alternate realities. Because in this universe, anything is possible, even justice with a haircut.